Hey everyone, how's it going? So, in celebration of Hanukkah, I thought I would show you guys how to draw a dreidel. So, to draw our dreidel, we're going to begin with kind of like an angled line. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to just kind of go down at an angle like this. Now, I'm going to leave some space over here, and I'm going to draw another line. Now, I want it to kind of line up a little bit, so I'm going to leave some space. I'm going to draw another angled line right here. Now, this line, I want it to be just a little bit longer than the previous line. Not much, but just a little bit longer. Then, I'm going to try to leave the same amount of space from this one to this one, and I'm going to draw another line, and I want it to be about this length. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw another line down at an angle, just like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to connect these lines. So I'm going to draw a line that goes from here to here, and then I'm going to draw a line that goes from here to here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes from here to here, and then one from here to here. And you can see that they're kind of at an angle, just a little bit. Now, I want to draw the top of the dreidel, so I want to put that right over here. So I'm going to draw a line that goes straight up, and then I'm going to draw another one right here. And then I'm going to connect these with a little curve. Now, for the part of the dreidel that spins, I'm going to start here, and I'm going to draw a line that goes down at an angle. And then I'm going to start right here and draw a line that goes out at an angle like this, and I want them to meet right there. Now, I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to draw a little bit of a curved line right there, just to kind of show that's a little bit rounded down there. Now, to finish off our dreidel, we want to add some of the symbols. Now, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve. It's going to go down and then over just like this. Then, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve back around here, and it's just going to curve right to here. Now, over here, I'm just going to draw a line that's kind of like a stretched out S. And then I'm going to draw that same symbol back around. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve around. And then I'm just going to redraw this shape and just kind of keep the edges of it kind of rounded like this. And there you go, there's your drawing of a dreidel. Now when you color this, there are all sorts of different colors you can use, and just be creative and make it your own. So I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.